Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Whitney. I miss you all so much already. Are you guys ready for some math? Woohoo! Me too! Alright, to get started, we are going to be completing our Unit 2 math assessment today. Yesterday, in class, we completed a review. We went over some place value, addition, and some subtraction. Today, you're going to show what you know, and you're going to totally rock this assessment. So let's get started. You need to open up Google Chrome to your ClassLink. Once your ClassLink page is opened, you need to find the app called USA Test Prep. It's a white icon with blue writing on it. Oh, there it is. USA Test Prep. You can click on it. Now my page looks a little different than yours because I'm the teacher, but there will be an assignment on the bottom that will say PVES Unit 2 Place Value Adding and Subtracting Assessment. Over on the far right will be a button that will say Begin. You click on Begin, and then it'll prompt you to a page, and at the bottom of that, in big letters, it'll say Begin Assessment. You can click on Begin Assessment and start your tests. Now remember, boys and girls, you really want to make sure you're doing out all of the problems on paper and you're showing your work. So make sure you either have your math notebook or some scrap paper so you can write down and complete the math problems. You don't want to be doing these problems in your head because you might make a mistake. You all will do an amazing job on this. I miss you so much. You are math wizards, okay? Show what you know, try your best, and I will see you all on Monday, okay? Have a beautiful weekend.